I'm currently in Melbourne City. In this video, I'm gonna head to the Queen Victoria Market. Traveling inside the CBD, the tram is free. The tram now. So since this is free, so I don't have to take this. Approaching Queen Victoria Market.
The next stop is Queen Victoria Market.
Just got off the tram from Queen Victoria Market stop. So I'm a bit early, some of the stores are open and some are closed. So I'm very early. A lot of potatoes, packed potatoes. So these are the fruits and vegetable section. The whole store selling eggs. Like indoors. So this is the meat market, meat section. It's good they have all the signs so I won't get lost. This is the fish section and I'm off to the food court. Burrata mozzarella. So many food to choose from, delicatessen. So there's the Italian pasta shop and then there is a French one. It's the ready to eat section. Gosh, hungry now. Alright. So decision what to eat. And duck. This is the bakery. Still deciding what to eat for breakfast. Okay, what am I gonna have for breakfast? I'm not gonna have croissant or anything like that. I'm gonna have something different. So I've just ordered a sweet bread. It's pumpkin bread. You don't get that in the Balkan, I think. Here you go. Waiting for the crowd. Another thing that you have to try is the American donut. I know it's a very touristy thing to do, but usually there's long queue. But now I think it's fine because it's still very early in the morning. Thank you very much. So I finally got American donut. I thought I have to buy 5, but I won't be able to finish. And I managed to get just one for $1.50. It's bursting with strawberry jam. So this concludes my morning visit to the Queen Victoria Market. See ya, bye bye.